Hello, BPC students. This is part C of how to complete your Simnet assignments for BPC 110. So in this video, I'm going to demonstrate how you complete your project assignment. So we go back to the modules, and if we scroll down to the week 1 module and down towards the bottom in the Simnet assignments section, there's two guided projects there. So to open up the guided project, you right-click on the link there and open that in a new tab. And you'll notice that there's right below it, a video demonstration of how to complete the guided project. And if you just watch that video, you'll know how to do that. But I'm going to show you real quick how to do it. Once you open it up, it'll come to a screen like this. And you're going to click on you've got three steps. You download your start file, and that's, in this case, a Word file. And that'll have some text in it, and that's where your starting point is. And then down below on the instructions, you have your instructions. And if you're using a Windows PC, you're going to have it toggled towards the Windows. If you're using a Mac, you'd toggle it towards the Mac. And the instructions might be slightly different for a Mac. So just so you know that. I recommend that you use a Windows PC to do these because most students don't have any problems when they do that. You have those available to you in the computer lab on campus or in the library. So anyway, we scroll down here and then we will follow the instructions to complete the project. So first of all, we'll download the start file. And then once it's downloaded, we'll open it up. And then once it's opened, we'll click on the Enable Editing button. So it just opened up on my other window. Click on the Enable Editing button, and now we're ready to start on the next instruction. Okay, so if we scroll down, we opened our file, and then it gets renamed with your first and last name, so you don't have to do anything for step 2. And then for step 3 is where you start the instructions. So we're going to change the line and paragraph spacing for the entire document. So I'm back to our start file, and I'm just going to follow the instructions under instruction 3 on the instructions. So we're going to do Control A to select the entire document. So Control A, oops, I have to select the document first, or click on the document. Control A will select all the text in the document, and then click the paragraph launcher on the Home or Layout tab. So the paragraph launcher is right here. And then we're going to click the line spacing dropdown and select multiple. Right here, select multiple, and then type 1.2 in the at text box. Okay, so right here, we're going to put 1.2. And then the next instruction says change the after paragraph spacing to 12. So right here, change this to 12. And then click the OK to close the paragraph dialog box. Okay, and then we would move on to instruction 4, where we're going to delete all the blank lines in the document. And then you would go through all the remaining instructions and make the changes that are specified in the instructions. Once you're done with the final instruction, or completed all the instructions, then you would go down to the bottom here, and the last thing it tells you to do is to save and close the document. Then once you've saved and closed your document, you're going to go back up to the top of the assignment, and you're going to click on the Upload My File. Okay, so click on the Upload My File, and then you'll find it in your Downloads folder unless you saved it somewhere else. And then I'm going to open it and click Yes, Submit the file. And I'm not going to get a very good score because I only completed the first instruction. So there we go, only 6.45%. Actually completed the first 3 instructions. So if I completed all these instructions and I did it correctly, I'd get 100%. Okay, and then that completes the guided project. Of course, there's a lot more to it. So if we go back to the modules, I just wanted to show you in that right underneath that guided project 1-2 is this link to a YouTube video that shows you step by step how to complete the project. And so if you open that up, it'll take you to this step. Sorry for that loud noise. And this will show you how to do it step by step. So it's basically showing you the same thing that I just showed. Okay, so it'll walk you through the actual project. So what I recommend is you go through the project and do it on your own and then submit it. And if you get stuck, you can go to this video and finish it, this video right here. Okay, so if you get stuck, you can just go to the video, find the spot where that instruction is and watch the video and follow along. Okay, so hopefully that helps you and good luck, guys.